How's it going? Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Man, I got a new project. I've been working on the handles and stuff, but it might take a little bit. So let's do this project first. Here we go. So, I got this all straightened out and all worked on, but I need some more time and I'm gonna work on the handle, and I gotta get this right here. You can see it's a little bit sticking out over here, so I'll do that in the next video. I've been working on it a little bit. It's gonna take me a little bit of time to edit and get that all together. Plus I wanna do the other knife too, the big old chopper. I think I'll just do a little video. Hopefully it'll be quick. I bought this. It's an Arbor press. I bought the Arbor press, and then I actually bought the real eyelet setters. The ones I made, you can see it's so close. This is the one I made on the lathe, but it just didn't work right. You know, there was just little imperfections that just didn't seem to work. It's almost perfectly right, but yeah, just a little bit off. And here's the bottom piece. So they were close. Something in me, you know, my friend's like, man, just buy it. You know, it's only 24, 30 bucks. Buy it. But me, I always have to try to make it first. Sorry, it's a new camera, so I'm looking in the monitor instead of looking in the lens. But yeah, so instead of buying it, I always try to make it first. Then if I have to, I'll go back and buy it. But I always got to give it that shot. I'm just not that good on the lathe yet. More practice, and maybe one day. But what I gotta do, this is the Arbor press that goes up and down and presses in. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole in the bottom of this and then put a set screw in. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just drill this out and then put in the set screw. Alright, let's get to it. So, when you got drill bits like that to have a step down, how do you figure out the diameter? Easy. Go right where they went. Boom. So now we got our drill bit size. You know how I like to do, I always like to punch a center hole, and then we'll probably do a 1/4 inch and then step up to the 1/2 inch. Now is mark an X across so I know where center is. But I noticed one thing. If I mess up one side, I get a second try. Let's hope we can do it all in one. Alright, let me draw this out. I was going to do the slow motion draw, but I think you know how to draw an X on the bottom of here. I'll be back. Well, I wanted to do this on my mill, but I just went and checked out, and it's not tall enough, so I'm going to have to put it on the drill press. I'll just have to put it in a vise and hold it straight. So, we'll have to see how that works. Alright, here we go. Just make sure I got this tightened down and straight with this. I like to use a centering punch, so we'll just move this out a little bit. I just want to start a pilot hole. I don't want to go in all that way. Always make sure you turn it on and it's running straight. Alright, move it out of the way, put 1/4 inch in. Alright, I think that's about it for this one. I think I'm going to do one more step. Yeah, we'll break middle between here and there. Alright, here we go. Time to go for the big boy. Drop the table one more time. Alright. A little bit more hogwash. Whew. That's in there so tight, I don't think we even need a set. Alright, let's go back to the bench. Alright, next line of business, see him where we're at here. So, put it about the middle here. Alright, there's our set screw. I'm going to do an 8/32, and from what it said on the old Googles, 7/64. Now I have one of those drill and taps all in one, but I don't know how strong this is or what it's made of or what, so I think I'm just going to stick to the 7/64. Alright, over to the mill. Alright, all trimmed back in. Now I just gotta drill the hole for the set screw and we're good to go. Alright, I got it set up right on the line. Easy glide. Here we go. So I've got these 8/32 plug. I don't have a tap guide, but I got a screw that'll fit in the back of it. Here we go, time lapse time. The tap's so easy, I didn't think it was working, and I took it out, I was like, oh, it's already through. That thing ain't coming out. Yeehaw! So check this out. The bolt over here is bent to hell. I don't know if you can see that, but it's... I'll just take it out for you. Look at that bolt. That came with this. Yeah, that's supposed to hold the side position in so it doesn't rock too far back and forth. I got these two tightened in the front, but it works. I got a plate I got to make for this and all that, but yep, holds in there nice and tight. Voila! Alright, I think that's about it. I think this is going to be a short video. I need a little bit more time to get the handles done and worked out. Like I said, I finally got it all straight and all that. I'm going to have to break the habit. I keep looking to see if it's focused and all that. The one thing I hope this video showed, if you don't necessarily have everything perfect, like I had to figure out how to do the drill press, drop the table, and set it all up in the vise. And then I thought I had a spiral tap for the 8/32, but I had to do it by hand. So, you know, all these little things, I'm not necessarily showing you how to do something, but hopefully you can kind of start thinking and be like, oh, well, let me step back and process this and work it out. You know, that to me would be more important than showing you just step by step how to do everything. With a little bit of persistence and time, you can learn how to do this stuff. Get your skills going more and more, because that's what it's all about, just refining everything and learning how just to make your tools useful. I know I had to go and buy the one because this one didn't work perfect, but it was my first time trying. And then, you know, if I wanted to try again and again and again, I'd waste a lot of 01 tool steel, but I'm sure I could get it. But now I can move on to the next project. You just have to pick your battles, but try. There's a saying I keep referring to. It says something like, if you haven't failed, you're not trying hard enough. Like, yeah, you just got to put forth the effort and keep going and keep going. All right, little bit of time filler and rant there. Thanks for watching. Please like, please comment, subscribe, hit the little bell, share with all your friends, do all that good stuff. I really appreciate the support. Thanks for everything, and as always, take it easy.